Hey there and welcome to a new video. In today's video, we will see how to create a lollipop chart in Tableau. So our final requirement is to create a chart which is able to represent total sales and profit by subcategory. When we look at the chart, we can see that the length of each lollipop, that is the bar with respect to each lollipop is the sales magnitude. And then coming to the bubble with respect to each lollipop, we can see that that is the magnitude of profit, and also the color scale also represent the magnitude of profit with respect to each subcategory. So when it is dark green, we can tell that the profit is much higher compared to red. Similarly, when it is light green, we can tell that it is in between compared to red and dark green. Similarly, we will have to create a chart, a lollipop chart, where we can represent sales and profit like lollipops. So now let us go to Tableau and see how we can create the chart. So here in Tableau, we are going to make use of the sample dataset which is already available. So open Tableau and then make use of the sample dataset which is already available, which is the sample superstore dataset. Now from this dataset, we are going to make use of the column subcategory. So we have a column called a subcategory here, and that we are going to drop to column pane. So here we can see that these are the subcategories which are available within the store. Now we have to represent sales as bar for each lollipop. For that, we are going to make use of the sales measure. So copy this and make use of sales in the row pane. So here now we have created a bar chart where we can see that the length of bar represents the magnitude of sales or the total sales with respect to each subcategory. Now we can adjust the size of bar here using the size within the marks pane. So reduce the size of mark. So we can see that we have created the small bar with respect to each lollipop. Now again we have to drag and drop sales into the row pane. So here we have created a second bar chart which is exactly similar to the first one. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to click on this dual axis option so that these two charts are combined together. Also one more thing we will do here, that is we will synchronize the axis. So here we have an option called as synchronize axis. So right click on the axis and then click on synchronize axis option. So the axis will be synchronized. And also one more thing we will do here, that is instead of automatic, we will change it to bar. So now we have created bar with respect to total sales for each subcategory. Now what we want is profit with respect to each subcategory. For that, we will take the second sum of sales, and into that we are going to drag and drop the profit. So here drag and drop profit to size. Now what we are going to do here is instead of bar, we are going to take circle. Okay. Now increase the size of circle. Increase this. Now we can see that earlier we did not find any circles with respect to any subcategory, but now we can see that we can circles with respect to any subcategory, but now we can see that we have circles with respect to each subcategory. Also one more thing we have to remember here, that is the color of each circles with respect to subcategory should be based on the magnitude of profit. So what we will do here is again we are going to drag and drop this profit to colors. Drop it here and we will change the color. So we will select red green diverging. Apply. Click on OK. So we have the lollipop created where we have profit represented by the circles for each lollipop, and also the color also helps us identify what is the profit magnitude or what is the relative profit magnitude with respect to each subcategory. Now we will modify the chart a little bit so that it looks visually pleasing. So we will hide the axis. So we will hide this. We only require one axis, and also we will make it entire view. Now we will modify the first axis. So what we will do here is click on format. Now axis, we require numbers in a different format. So it is currency, custom, decimal places should be 0, and now we will convert it into 1000, that is K. So we can see that we have numbers represented as K, that is multiple of thousands. So this is how we can create a Lollipop chart in Tableau. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. Thank you.